Hi boys, welcome back to a new video. Today we're going to be talking about mitochondria. Identify function of plant cell parts. As you see, select the part whose main job is to make proteins. Ribosome, obviously. Just remember, protein ribosome. Select the part whose main job is to fill the space between the cell membranes and the nucleus. It is called cytoplasm. Just remember plasma. I think you got it then. Cell part's main job is to help the ribosome make proteins. Is it chloroplast or mitochondria? Chloroplast. No, endoplasmic reticulum. Yeah, endoplasmic reticulum. Guys, I'm not a professional, so if I'm getting questioned wrong, just know I'm not a professional. Select the part whose main job is to make proteins. Ribosome. Select the part whose main job is to use energy from sunlight to make sugar. For that, it is chloroplast. Select the part whose main job is to direct cell activities by sending instructions to different parts of the cell. It is, what is it called again? Nucleus. Cell wall protects the cell. Select the part whose main job is to break down sugar and release energy that the cell can use. That is mitochondria. Select the part whose main job is to contain the information that the cell uses for growth and activities. So, the obviously answer is chromosomes. Here, let me just show y'all a definition. Select the part's main job is to send proteins and other substances to cell membranes to be released. Vacuole takes out stuff. Golgi, I forgot. Chloroplast makes sugar. Nucleus gives information, so Golgi, yeah. Select the part's main job is to send instructions to different parts of the cell. Nucleus. Nucleus will obviously, all the time, will send instructions to different parts of the cell. Just remember that. Select the part whose main job is to control which substances enter and leave the cell. And cell membranes. It's supposed to see which comes and goes. A vacuole. Oh yeah, vacuole stores too. Select the part whose main job is to give strength and stimulus to the cell. Cell wall, as I said, it protects it. Select the part whose main job is to store and package proteins and other substances. Isn't that chromosomes? No. Why did I say chromosomes? It provides information. I'm so stupid. Select the part whose main job is to help ribosomes make proteins. Endoplasmic reticulum. Select the part whose main job is to package protein and other substances and send them to different parts of the cell. I try to remember that right now. That is so cool. That's so. Select the part whose main job is to direct cell activities by sending instructions to different parts of the cell. Yeah, duh, it's nucleus. Nucleus instructs. Select the part whose main job is to store water in the cell. That's vacuole's job. What is the main function of mitochondria? To break down sugar and release energy can be used. Vacuole, what's the main function of that? To store water in the cell. What is the main function of the chloroplast in a plant cell? To use energy. Alright boys, I'm going to do a part 2 of this, where I do stage 2. Thank you for watching my video, and have a great time. Thank you.